మేడ్చల్ జిల్లా పోచారం మున్సిపాలిటీ పరిధిలోని కరుముల క్రాస్ రోడ్స్ నారాపల్లిలో రావీస్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో మ్యాచ్ డే సందర్భంగా మ్యాథమెటిక్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ని నిర్వహించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులు ప్రాజెక్టులు చేయడం జరిగింది. విద్యార్థులు చాలా చక్కగా అందరినీ ఆకర్షించే విధంగా వారి యొక్క ప్రాజెక్టుల గురించి వివరించడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఎండి రాధిక, ప్రిన్సిపల్ కృష్ణవేణి, మేనేజర్ వెంకట్, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఉపాధ్యాయులు మరియు రావీస్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యం మరియు పెద్ద ఎత్తున విద్యార్థులు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Ravees International School, Narapalli. So today I want to explain about currency. So currency will be started from 1880. So 1818 to 1920, half anna. 1942 to 1942 half anna. 1939 1 anna. 1944 to 1963 1 paisa. 1964 2 paisa. 1966 3 paisa. 1986 5 paisa. 1957 to 1989 10 paisa. 1991 to 2019 2 rupee. 1989 to 2011 5 rupee. 5 rupees coins are different sizes are there. 2010 to 2014 10 rupee coins. These are 10 rupees coins.
Okay, next.
This is gold 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note. ₹10 note.
New currency.
New currency. These are all new currency. Present right we are using these all currencies. This is 10 rupees note, 100 rupee note, 20 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 2000 rupees note. These are coins. 5 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin.
Easy and faster way. Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematical numerals which was discovered by an Indian mathematician Bharati Krishna Prasad in the period between 1811 and published his findings in the Vedic maths book by Ibrahim Maharaj. Advantages of Vedic mathematics can definitely solve and calculation some Vedic math scholars mention that using Vedic mathematics which you can solve calculation tricks of Vedic mathematics. Can anyone solve this sum less than 1 minute? I can solve it. Now the trick is how to solve this. First, take the number. If you are multiplying with subtract 1 from the number. The answer is the first digits of the number. Next this number you subtract from 9. and why was it getting from the seven. Today we are going to tell about the most
Right.
Data can be represented in various forms through numbers, pictures, tables, charts, etc. The most common type of problem is the bar graph. Bar graph shows the number of people who use the method on a different time, on a particular time. Metro use a different time on a particular day. At 6 a.m., 80 numbers, at 9 a.m., 120 numbers, at 12 and 140 numbers, on 3 p.m., 240 numbers, on 6 p.m.
Downward swing, your vision will be clear. Increase your angle and increase the that you want to explain. What is the suitable angle to see as a human? What is the perfect angle to see? 20. 45 minutes, 20. Like this I have to see. You have to write here, right? What is the perfect angle to this if you want to?
Sir, I have took 15th August 1947. Okay, sir. Now I am going to find the date, the help of the date, and the first step. So 15th you should take as it is, and here August. This is the month code. August. For the August we have month code 3. And this is 19th century, so 0. This 47 as it is. And in 47 we have 21 leap years. Now we need to add all of this. 76. Now if we 76 is divided by 7, we'll get the answer. Reminder 6. So 6. We got independence on Friday.
Tell me.
The clock is divided using measure time. The numbers particular on the clock face show the hours. The clock face is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part shows the minutes. My name is Vinayata. My name is Katsura. My name is Nalini. We are from grade 6. This is Indian International System.
One by one.
This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, and lakhs, crores, central, Arab. Arab is known as shortened for 400. International System here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 10,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. And this is so these are puzzles. It's all a puzzle. And this is the screen model of the Indian
Several studies of dimensions or topics related to dimensions. This model has a very fascinating topology because it has only one side and one continuous boundary. It it doesn't cut it to half when we try to cut it because the scissor never gets able to touch the boundary, and because anything we can't cut it touch the boundary, but the thing in this obviously is that it doesn't cut it to half. We live in the world with the three dimensions, length, breadth, and height. And so Fibonacci sequence, which are
State and explain, Anna.
the sequence of numbers are which are added to and predicted by their own properties, which is known as Fibonacci sequence. It all started from Fibonacci, who was the greatest mathematician in the 8th century. He got inspired from Hindu-Arabic mathematicians. Their numerals were different to compared to Roman numerals. He compared these numerals with Roman numerals.
Our project is area and perimeter of shapes. First, triangle. Area is equals to half into breadth into height. Space into height. Very good. Good morning, sir. I am Mithun from grade 6. I am telling about prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. Composite numbers are even numbers. We are explaining about squares and cubes. Imagine that the area of a square is equals to 4. 4 can be expressed as 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is equals to 2 square. Similarly, 9 can be expressed as 3 into 3 is equals to 3 square. Since all such numbers can be expressed as the product of number with itself.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Varsha from class 8 and I'm Meelashri from class 8. Today our topic is about pie chart. The pie chart is also known as a circular chart dividing the circular statistical graphic into sectors or sections to illustrate the numerical properties. And this is our daily routine: sleep 8 hours, school 6 hours, homework 4 hours, play 4 hours and other 2 hours. 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 24. 360 by 24 into 8. 24 15s are 360 into 8. 15 8s are 120. This is our working model.
My name is Anish. My name is Sanita. We are from grade 6. Today our activity is 2D and 3D shapes. Square. Triangle. A triangle is made up of square. A square is a quadrilateral in which all 4 sides are equal and 4 angles are 90 degrees. Hexagon, a plane with 6 shapes and angles. Triangular is a polyhedron 3D shapes made from polygons consisting of 2 triangles, ends and 3 rectangles. Cube, a symmetrical 3-dimensional shape, either solid. Pyramid, a monumental structure with triangular base. Cone, roughly circular base to the point. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Anish of grade 6 and this is the project. This is my maths project. This is the project of laws of exponents. Here I am going to explain the formulas of each of the questions. First, multiplying power with the same base. For this, the formula is x is raised to power m into x is raised to power n is equal to x is raised to power m plus n. Dividing power with same base. Here it is multiplication and now it is division. X is raised to power m divided by x is raised to power n is equal to x is raised to power m minus n. Power of a power. When a number has 2 powers, we have to multiply the powers and we will get the answer. Numbers with exponent 0. Any number having 0 as the exponent, it is directly equal to 1. Multiplying base with same exponent.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Hasha from grade 7. I am Aditi of grade 7. Today we are going to explain about the This is Pythagoras theorem actually. So there was a Greek philosopher from 6th century BC named Pythagoras. His theorem was named after him as he was the first to discover it. Now my classmates have will explain about Pythagoras theorem. The longest side of the right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is opposite of the right angle triangle. In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the other two sides. Example, c square is equal to a square plus b square. Now my friend Alti will say you one example of Pythagoras theorem. As Sasha said that the a square plus b square is equal to c square. But how can we prove this? Using the model that I made for the Pythagoras theorem. You can see that this is a right angle triangle. Now imagine that these walls are the areas of the squares. Now when we spin this around, the walls are falling into the c square, which means the areas both combine to form the c square. Hence prove that the a square plus b square is equals to c square. Suppose let's take an example. The a square is equals to 3 square, which is 9, and the b square is equals to 4 square, which is 16. So 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So 25 is 5 square. Hence prove that 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. Thank you. I hope you understood the concept.
I am Sanvi. I am Manaswini. I am Akshaya. We are from grade 6. Today, as a part of a match day, me and my dear friends Sanvi and Akshaya made some project about shapes and some puzzles too. First, let's learn about shapes. First, before shapes, let's learn polygon. Polygon, a simple closed curve made up of 9 segments. The polygons are classified on the basis of number of sides. Polygons are classified into 2 sides. Regular polygons, a polygon which all sides and angles are equal. Irregular polygons, an irregular polygon has not equal sides and not equal angle measure is called an irregular polygon. Now let's begin with shapes. First I'll start. Octagon. And 8 sides and 8 angles is known as octagon. Semicircle. A semicircle. A circle which has of the divided into half is each part of the circle is known as semicircle.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Tachka from grade 8. Today explaining about Napier rods. John Napier invented these Abaca rods. Abaca rods in the 17th century. Among other things, Napier rods can be used from multiplications, from two factors and if and ingenious way to multiplication number. We will multiplication is we will do easy for doing the multiplication. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ishwara. I am from grade 8. Today I am going to explain about Euler's formula. Euler's formula. X plus V minus E is equal to 2. Basis plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. To prove it, I am going to apply this formula in the pyramid. Is square pyramid. I am going to apply. The square pyramid has 5 faces and 5 vertices and 8 edges. 5 plus 5 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. In prism, I am going to apply for pentagonal prism. Pentagonal prism has 7 faces, 14 vertices and 19 edges. 7 plus 14 is equal to 21. 21 minus 19 is equal to 2.
On match day, we did the model of angles and property of a triangle. The sum of the 3 angles of a triangle should be the 180 degrees. You can take any 3 angles. The sum should be 180 degrees. Example, it is 27 degrees and 123 degrees and 30 degrees. Suppose we will add this all 3 degrees, we get 180 degrees from a straight line. Thank you.
Of grade 8. Today I am going to explain about concentric circle. Now let me tell about the circle. The circle is a collection of points in a plane which are at the constant distance from a fixed point, and this is the fixed point. These are the concepts.
Good afternoon, I am Mr. Pali from grade. On the occasion of National Mathematics Day, I am going to explain you Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here AB represents the perpendicular, A represents to the perpendicular, B represents to the base, and C represents to the hypotenuse. And for example, I'll show you. So, for example, when I take 7, you can see here the hypotenuse shows us the angle. When I kept it on 7, it shows 40 degrees. Means 7 is on 40 degrees towards hypotenuse. See, as you can see, 7. It's showing here hypotenuse. It's showing here hypotenuse. So when it's like this, let's check its base. From ground, it's 14. When we take it up, it's come to the 15. As you all can see, it's clearly 15. Now for one more example, I want to take it to the 10. So here you can see that it's on the 15. This angle is on 50. So let's check its base height. So it's on maximumly on the 60. So once I will take to the maximum to show you one more example. So from here you can see that the hypotenuse shows on the 51 degrees. From here you can see the base height is 17.7 and the height is 17.7 and the angle is 50 degrees. So this proves that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This represents Pythagoras theorem.
We are from grade 6. My name is Nitya. My name is Nitya. We are from grade 6. This is a project of multiplication calculator. Always students have the confusion of tables, but this is they'll think this is tough to learn, but this is so easy to learn in this table. Yeah. This is the easiest method of learning multiplication tables for kids. Now we are going to explain this topic. Example, now 18 into 12 is equals to 260 and 15 into 7 is equals to 105.
From grade 5. From grade 5. Today we are going to explain about time. Our friend is Rishi. He is going to explain about time. Rishi, can you explain about time?
1 o'clock is equals to 5 past. 1 o'clock is known as 5 past. 2 o'clock is known as 10 past. 3 o'clock is known as quarter past. 4 o'clock is known as 20 past. 5 o'clock is known as 25 past. 6 o'clock is known as half past. 7 o'clock is known as 25 past. 8 o'clock is known as 20. 9 o'clock is known as 22. 9 o'clock is known as 10 o'clock is known as 10 to 11 o'clock is 5 to. Thank you.
my name is Anish. In this district, we are going to explain about decimals, percentage, fractions. Percentage fractions. 5% equals to 8.8 is equals to 1 by 20. 997 is equals to 99 divided by 100 and 100. Decimals to fractions. 0.03 equals to 3 by 100. 0.48 is equals to 48 by 100.
Good evening, everyone. This is Sahasra from grade 4. Today we are talking about geometry. Point. A point shows an exact location. It has no length, breadth, or height. It is represented by a dot, and it is named with the capital letter. Line. A line is a series of points joined together in both directions. The arrow has on both ends shows that a line is never ending. A line has no fixed length and cannot be measured. Line AB is written as AB. Points of length. Straight line. A line formed by joining points in the same direction with ending test is called a straight line. Thank you.
Transversal on parallel lines. First, what is transversal? A line that intersects two or more distinct points is called transversal.
Parallel lines. Two or more lines equal to a parallel line. If the distance between the parallel line is same as
Sides are extreme angles. Two angles that lie outside the parallel lines and on the same side of the transversal.
alternative interior angles. Two angles that lies outside the parallel line on opposite side of the transversal.
Alternative two angles that lie outside the parallel lines and on the opposite side of the transversal.
Same side interior angles. Two angles that lies between the parallel line on same side of the transversal.
Corresponding angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the pair of complete angles are on the same side of the transversal.
Thank you.
A fraction is considered to be the ratio of two numbers. The upper part is called numerator. The lower part is called the denominator. Today I am going to explain about measurement of mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Weight is generally measured by how much something weighs. The more matter something has, the more it will weigh. For example, the mouse has more matter than an ant. Hence, the mass of a mouse will be higher. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sammy. I am from K3. Today I am going to explain about measurement of length. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. 10 meters is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameters is equal to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. Thank you. When one is divided from a number, the divided. Today I am going to explain about properties of addition. When one is added to a number, the sum is the number after. Example, 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Example, 56 plus 0 is equal to 56. Numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Example, 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manik from grade 9.
My name is Manik from grade 9.
So we did this project probability. So what is probability? Probability is the measure of likelihood of an occurrence of an event. Probability is divided into two types. First one, the impossible event, and second one, the sure event. As you can see here, here the board is consists of 10 numbers. I want to bet, sir. So here I will bet on 7. The favorable number will be 0, and the total outcome will be 9, sir. Sir, therefore we lost the bet, sir. So the probability of the winning chance will be 1 by 10, and the probability of losing chance will be 9 by 10.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Sushant from grade 9. This is Neeraj from grade 9. Our topic is clinometer. A clinometer is an instrument used to measure the angles of slope, elevation or depression of an object within the respect. Clinometer is also known as tiltometer. Some people use the clinometer to measure the heights and angles. Thank you.
Myself, Schoolva.
Myself, Bhavani Prasad from grade 7.
Today our topic is about Math City.
There are different types of shapes in our model. It is cuboid. The top surface of the cuboid is shaped made up of square, and it is triangular. The square pyramid and cylinder tower. It is rectangle top surface and square top surface. Rectangle covered 4 sides. So it is cube.
But upper part is square.
So our topic is, our opinion is to say that in daily life we use maths. Like for example, when you build your home, you will take measurements, and when you travel a distance, you will calculate the kilometers. This kilometer, 5 kilometers.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Siddharth of grade 9. Today I am going to tell about pie chart. Pie chart is a circular graph which is used to check the values of these in the form of circular graph. The pie chart is used in the business, mass media, and etc. The pie chart is also in the pie chart the slice of the explaining. Good morning, everyone. This is Schoolva from grade 5 sector. A line of the border of the circle is called sector. Segment L section of the circle created by two radius. Border line segment joining 2 points is called chord. The section of the circle.
My name is Priyanka.
Today's our topic is about
Srinivas Ramanujam number is 1729.
This Balash number, which can be expressed in the two different cubes in two different ways.
The two different ways are
One is 1 cube plus 12 cube is equal to 10 cube plus 9 cube is equal to 1 plus 1729 is equal to 1000 plus 729 is equal to.
I'm Ashra. I'm Vedatri. I'm Lasya. Today we are going to explain about fractions. There are 5 types of fractions. They are proper fraction, improper fraction, unlike fraction, like fraction, mixed and equivalent fractions. We are going to give some examples of equivalent and mixed fractions. So let us take 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write it as 2 by 4 or 3 by 6. 4 by 8, 5 by 10, and by 9. And we have mixed fraction also. In mixed fraction, we have a rule that there should be a whole and a proper fraction. So, a whole and a proper fraction. For a proper fraction, we the 3 by 11. So, a whole and a 3 by 11 equals to mixed fraction. 1 whole 3 by 11. Thank you. And all, we are from grade 6. I'm Lasya. I'm Vedatri. I'm Sashwa. There are 6 types of fractions. Unlike fraction,
improper fraction? By make that equivalent. So proper fraction. Proper fraction means the number is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Like fractions are a collection of important fractions that have the same denominator. Unlike fractions are a fraction with different denominator.
From grade 9, can anyone say this how many diagonals are there in octagon, in a regular octagon? These are 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. The 8 sides in octagon have, these are 8 vertices again. From each vertex, 5 diagonals. From here 1, from here 2, from here 3, and from here 4, from here 5. Totally there are 8 vertices. But from here to here, or from the point A to our point C, again point C to point A, that's a one diagonal. If we take total, we have to do 8 by 2. 8 by 2 nothing but 4. From each vertex, we have 5 diagonals. Like that, 4 into 5 is called 20. It's a 20 diagonals. If we have any confusion, we can confirm from here. We have 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. From each point we count 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is Malakna of grade 9.
The angle of elevation is an angle that is formed between the horizontal line and also the line of sight. If the line of sight is upwards from the horizontal line, then it is also called the angle of elevation.
And normally maximum eyesight is about 45 degrees. So in our daily life we look after 45 degrees. And this is circle theorem. So when two line segments are intersecting at each other and will get 60 degrees every time. So 60 degrees. From other side also will get 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And this is the fixed point, sir. When we move this fixed point to here, means we'll get another angle, sir. Thank you.
We are from Ravees International School. Today we are conducted Max exhibition. We are celebrating Max Day. Our children are participated very nicely. They did very nicely.
Children did so many projects. That projects they taken from the textbook and some concepts from the Vedic mathematics.
Every children did their project very well and explained very well, and every children shown their interest to do the project, and every parent have supported the student doing in their projects.
Your principal, you would support it?
Yes, we got a full support from our management and principal.
Students are very happy Mathematics Day. Today all the students done very good. We get a full support of teachers, our management, not only the management, parents and children's done a very good. Thank you for supporting the management.